Hello guys, my name is Sophia and welcome to my channel. I am launching a new heading, which I called Drawing Subscribers Ideas. Thanks everyone for the ideas. And here is one of them. It seemed very interesting and unusual to me. And who I didn't choose, don't be upset. Run your idea in the comments under this video. And maybe it's your idea that I will draw in the next video. This dragon I named Aurelius and wrote a story for him. I think you will like it. Enjoy your viewing. In a distant world where the sky intertwines with the earth, lived a dragon named Aurelius. His long body was adorned with 4 wings, gently covering his mighty body. 2 wings spread out on each side of the body, and 2 more adorned his proud tail. Aurelius was a celestial being, possessing angelic beauty. His snout was adorned with golden curls and dots, like a halo of light. Around the head, vital magical particles, and his eyes sparkled with gold and white pupils, as if in them, heavenly mysteries were melting. Fur covered the long neck of Aurelius, creating an atmosphere of unprecedented beauty around him. The golden eyes of the dragon illuminated the night sky, and each of his wing beats created a shimmering light trail, like the light of a star comet's tail. Silver claws of Aurelius rose into the air, leaving shimmering trails behind. He soared in the skies like a living star, sparkling with light and wisdom. When he moved, his wings spilled with white, silver, and golden light, creating a magnificent spectacle. On the proud head of Aurelius Juza rose long, silver and gold horns, resembling the crown of ancient kings. Eyes located on his shoulders and hind legs sparkled with wisdom and attention, protecting him from any threat. The tail of Aurelius Juza, adorned with circles surrounding him, each of which vibrated with power and energy. The eye on the dragon's forehead sparkled like the most precious stone, reflecting the mysteries of the universe. So began the legend of the great dragon Aurelius, guardians of heaven and earth, whose beauty and power inspired and captivated everyone who dared to look up at the sky. Guys, thanks for the attention. Hope you liked my art. Write your ideas, and I will choose what I like. Do not forget to subscribe. Like it. Click on the bell so as not to miss my newest video. Good luck to everyone.